Hi, it's Trisa from Anjurisa. Today we're making this super cute snap button wallet keychain. It's a great beginner sewing project, useful for coins, keys, or tiny treasures. And it's just so satisfying to make. Let's get started. For the main fabric, I recommend using a soft canvas or any medium weight fabric. Something with a bit of structure. For the lining, regular cotton fabric works great. I will list the full materials on the screen for you, so feel free to screenshot or pause. Oh, and a big thank you to my lovely friends. Because of your comments, I now know these little guys are called snaps, or more specifically, cam snaps. You'll need a pair for this project. Let's start with the zipper. Take your zipper tab fabric and fold. Then press it with an iron. This gives a clean and clear center line. Now use the fabric to neatly cover both ends of the zipper. This hides the raw edge and makes it look neat. Plus, zipper tabs are a fun detail, especially if you're using a contrasting fabric. Sew this down. Flip it over. Press it again. And trim the excess. Next, we'll mark the center. Just fold the pieces in half and make a small crease or mark with your marker. This step helps keep everything aligned for a nice tidy finish. Now let's install the zipper for the front pocket. Start with the lining piece, place it facing up, then lay the zipper on top, also facing up. Now add your main fabric on top, right sides down. You've got a little zipper sandwich here. Change to your zipper presser foot if needed, and sew through all layers. After sewing, flip everything right side out. Top stitch near the zipper for a clean look. You can also press it first for a nice finish. Now fold the lining fabric over. Take the remaining main fabric. Place it wrong side up. Again, sew through all layers. Flip it and top stitch. Oh, and remember, you might need to move the zipper head out of the way when you sew a zipper to get a neat line. After this, test your zipper. Make sure it opens and closes smoothly. No stuck zippers allowed. Now, this part is totally optional, but it's my favorite. Adding your label makes your handmade item feel extra special and personal. If you don't have one, that's totally fine. Skip this part. If you do, go ahead and sew it onto the front of the main fabric, making sure not to catch the lining fabric. Now for the tab, the part where we will hang the key ring. Fold your fabric toward the center, then fold again, and top stitch the edges. Place it on the other side of the zipper, aligned with center mark. Now grab your final lining piece and place it right sides together with the front pocket piece. Sew along both sides. Then open the seam and press it flat. Top stitch both the main fabric and the lining fabric along the seam. Just be careful not to catch the tab in the seam. To create the final pouch shape, align the side seam. Using the seam as the guide, mark 3 cm to the left and right of the center, and 1.5 cm down. I'll add the inch measurements on screen as well. Repeat on the other side. By the way, if you enjoy making cute and practical pouches like this, I've got lots of sewing patterns in my Etsy that are beginner friendly. You can check it out at anjurisa.etsy.com. I will also write the link in the description. Now we'll finish sewing the pouch. If you want to add a label to the inside, now's the time. Just tuck it between the lining layers. Sew along the markings we made earlier, and don't forget to leave an opening in the lining so we can turn it right side out. Trim the corners to reduce bulk. Turn the pouch inside out. Then sew the opening in the lining with a top stitch, using matching thread for a neat finish. Tuck the lining inside and smooth everything out. Now it's time to add the snap. Mark the center of the pouch where you want your snap to go. If you're not sure how to install snaps, I have a short video just for that. You can click the link in the top right corner or check the description below. Use your snap pliers to install both parts of the snap. Make sure it's aligned and working well. Snap! Just like that. Last step, insert the keyring through the tab. And done! That's it! You've just made your own snap button wallet keychain. If you enjoyed this project, support this channel by hitting the like, leave a comment, and subscribing for more beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks so much for sewing with me today. I can't wait to see what you make. Tag me on Instagram Anjurisa so I can send you a virtual high five. See you in the next video, and as always, happy crafting!